Ensuring electrical wires can safely carry intended currents is vital to prevent overheating and hazards. A wire's current carrying capacity depends on factors like cross-sectional area, material, ambient temperature, and installation method. For copper wires, each square millimeter can handle approximately 6 to 10 amperes, depending on conditions. Aluminum wires, being less conductive, carry about 4 to 6 amperes per square millimeter. Several factors influence these capacities. Material type: copper offers higher conductivity than aluminum. Temperature: higher ambient temperatures reduce a wire's capacity. Installation method: wires in open air dissipate heat better than those in conduits. Wire length: longer wires may require larger sizes to minimize voltage drops. Insulation material: high-temperature insulations allow for higher current capacities. Always include a safety margin of at least 20% to ensure reliable operation. For precise applications, consult detailed standards and guidelines.